Mini UV Light, UV Lamp Sanitizer Portable Foldable Travel Wand UV LED Light Formaldehyde Disinfection Lamp without chemicals Germicidal Lamp Battery USB for home hotel wardrobe toilet car. Sterilization function and safe to use utilizing ultraviolet rays to destroy the DNA and RNA of bacterial viruses. It can die within few seconds and achieve a safe and effective sterilization effect. Completely harmless to the body, multifunctional UV lamp effectively prevents viruses and solves the problem of disinfection in family life. Suitable for large places, hotels, kindergartens, families, public places, cars, bedrooms, shoe cabinets, medical places, swimming pools, toilets, pet rooms, toilets, etc. to purify your space. Built-in automatic safety switch. When the on lamp tube of the germicidal stick is facing upwards in the working state, the UV disinfection light is automatically turned off. To restore to the working state, just rotate the ultraviolet lamp of the germicidal stick to face down. USB charging or 4PCS AAA battery. Note: please do not expose your eyes and skin to UV light. The UV lamp will never turn on if it is point towards you or right, left or in front. So please do not assume that the product is faulty. Do not put this light to your pet for longer than 2 minutes. Easy to carry, compact size 4.91.37 0.98 in. Weight 0.14 pounds. Battery power and USB power. It's easy to carry and put in your handbag. It's easy to put in the handbag, whether at home or on a trip. No matter where you go, you can make sure that you live in a clean environment. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.